Okay, now we'll look at question 6. Okay, question 6 require you to find the volume of this whole structure. Okay, so for this case, okay, you see that at the top, okay, you have your cylinder. Okay, and at the bottom, you have your hemisphere. Okay, so you have one part at the top, one part below. Okay, so if you want to find the volume, okay, pi r square h plus half, okay, half of what? Half of the formula for the volume of a sphere. Okay, pi r square h is the volume of the cylinder, and this is the volume of sphere. Okay, so now all you need to do is substitute in the radius. Okay, for the cylinder, the radius is 5 meter. Okay, the height for this case is 15, okay, which is given from the question. Okay, for the sphere, okay, the volume is 6, okay, or the radius is 6, okay, it's because below is 5, okay, so 5, okay, should be cm, so 5 cm plus 1 cm, okay, so the whole thing altogether 6 cm. Okay, use your calculator and press. Okay, don't round off immediately. Okay, always write at least 4 decimal place. Okay, so that you may need to use the earlier. Okay, you may need to use this value for the remaining part of the question. Okay, then the last step, then you go and okay give your answer into up to 3 significant figure. Okay, so this is for 6A, part 1. Okay, next question 6A part 2. Okay, to find the surface area. Okay, now if they ask you to find surface area, okay, always check how many okay surface are there. Okay, from the diagram. Okay, so let's check. I have one surface below, one surface which is the side of the cylinder. Okay, and if you look from the top, okay, that's where I have my third surface area that includes okay this circle plus the outer circle over here. Okay, so actually we can actually find the area of this entire circle. Okay, then it would actually includes the area of here plus the area of the circle at the top. Okay, so you just need to find one circle at the top. Okay, so how to find the one circle at the top is just pi r squared. Okay, because it's just the area of the circle. Okay, plus 2 pi r h plus half again. Okay, then this is the formula for the surface area of a sphere. Okay, so this is the area for part 3, area for part 2, area for part 1. Okay, same thing, substitute in the value. Okay, again, do not round off immediately. Always write down, okay, the answer, okay, from your calculator. Then, okay, before you give your final answer up to 3 SF again. Okay, cm square for this question. Okay, so this is your 6A part 2. Now for the last part, okay, now they talk about the 12 cone, okay, and they say that the solid structure actually melt to form, okay, and produce that 12 cone. Okay, then this means that the volume of the 12 cones, okay, is actually equal to the volume of the solid structure. Okay, so based on this, okay, the formula for the 12 cones, so is 12, okay, because there are 12 of them. Each cone, the formula will be 1/3 pi r square h equals to, now volume of your solid structure, you have already found this in part 1. Okay, do not use the round off value. Okay, so this is what you have found earlier on. Okay, substitute in the radius. Okay, the radius for this is 3 square. Okay, because why 3? Because they say that the cone diameter is 6 cm. Okay, the cone diameter is 6 cm. Okay, and the height is what you want to find. Okay, so this one whole equation only got one unknown h, so you can now solve the question. Okay, simplify the left hand side. Okay, and then you can therefore find h. Okay, again give your answer up to 3 SF. Okay, so this is question 6B.